Hello. Ever wonder what the differences are between chicken stock and chicken broth? If so, like and subscribe. You are about to find out. If you are thinking, that TV really shouldn't be above the stove, you are correct. But I like it. Don't worry, it won't catch on fire. Chicken stock. Primary ingredient: bones, carcasses, backs, necks. Flavor: richer, deeper due to collagen extraction from bones. Cooking time: longer, simmering, 4 to 8 hours, to release collagen and gelatin. Texture: thicker, can gel when chilled. Seasoning: usually unseasoned or minimally seasoned to provide a neutral base. Its main purpose is building flavor in sauces, soups, stews or rice dishes. Chicken broth. Primary ingredient is meat, whole chicken, breasts, thighs, with some bones. Flavor: lighter, more meaty due to inclusion of meat. Cooking time: shorter, simmering, 1 to 2 hours. Texture: thinner, less likely to gel. Seasoning: often seasoned with salt, pepper, and herbs. Its purpose: can be enjoyed as a soup itself or base for soups, stews and gravies. And here are some pictures of soup. That looks good. That one, not so much. Like and subscribe. That person made a mess.